I'm going to show you how to create a gradient fill layer in the Photoshop app. First, we have to open up the app. Here, this is how it opens up. From here, we just go into the top row, click on layer. Then we move on to new fill layer, and then we click on gradient. And here, you can just click on OK. Here we can set the style of the gradient, some other details. But for now, let's just do it like this. Then we can click on OK. And here, this is basically it. Afterwards, we can set the opacity of the layer so it fits better with the image. And then we can also set the blending type. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.